Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make t-shirts on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Your Roblox gamers have probably thought about how great it would be able to create their own shirt and clothes in Roblox, or maybe they wish they could redesign the perfect outfit for their avatar. Either way, learning how to create clothes in Roblox is a great way to add their own personal touch to their gaming experience. So how to do it? So to create uh, your own t-shirt on Roblox, you can go to Roblox Studio. So you can open the Chrome, you can go to Roblox Creator Hub, you can log into your account, and from here you have to make sure that you've already made the design so you can upload in here. So you can go to creation. From creation you can go to avatar items. You can filter, you can choose to bodies, clothing. You can go to clothing, you can choose the type you want to create: shirt, t-shirt, pants, or skirt, or shirts like this. For example, you want to create t-shirts. Now in here, you can choose on maybe classic. You can select on classic t-shirt, or maybe classic pants. After that, here's I've made one one example. Now you can upload your asset. You can upload the image that you want to add to your uh, design. So I think I will just use this one. Okay, you have to make sure that the format is this: JPG, PNG, TGA, or PMP, and make size profile is 20 megabyte. Image will be visible to other after moderation. Now you can add name, you can add the description, and to upload your own t-shirt, you have to ready. You have to pay 10 Robux. So you have to make sure that your Robux is enough to upload. You can upload like this, and we can just wait. So now you have uploaded. You can just wait until Roblox confirm that your t-shirt, your design is able to publish to Roblox. After that, you can just check in here. After Roblox confirm, you can go. You can see in here. If you want to see how's the result, it will be like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to how to upload your own t-shirt on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.